Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and I am back again with another of my weekly pre-Christmas giveaways. This time for Aviate Lupini Flour and Flakes. So just a quick note here, in terms of these giveaways, none of these are paid promotions. All of these have been me reaching out to some of the companies that I really like and asking them if they'd be willing to give away something to my viewers. In the case of Aviate, which is my favorite brand of lupin flour, in fact, not only does it taste the best, in my opinion, it also has the best carb count at just 1 net gram of carbs per quarter cup. And I've used this in a handful of different recipe videos that I'll link to down in the description below, maybe even as the end card. I did some hummus with the flakes, that was great. Falafel, chapli, I mispronounce that sometimes, the chapli kebab. They're all great. I will include a link, like I said, down below in the description. Check them out. Now, coupled with this giveaway, I've also got some good news for my neighbors to the north. I always feel bad when I have a giveaway and I can't include Canada, or if I'm using a product that's not available in Canada, but that is not going to be a problem for this video because not only am I going to include Canada in the giveaway, Aviate products are now available on Amazon Canada. I will include links to Amazon Canada, Amazon.com, and the Aviate website, along with a 20% off coupon code that you can use for your purchase. But if you'd like to win some as well, here's what you need to do. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you are from Canada, put hashtag Canada. If you are in the US, put hashtag US. I will be drawing 3 winners each. 3 from Canada, 3 from the US, and each of the winners will get a bag of the lupini flour and a bag of the lupini flakes. In terms of the rest of the world, it's not like I'm ignoring you. The problem is there are certain international regulations with regards to contests or giveaways and shipping. So I'm looking into that, and what we'd really like to do, I've spoken with David at Aviate, we'd love to do some sort of a giveaway where we can include the rest of the world. We'll be looking at that come the new year. So check out those recipe videos. If it seems like something you'd like to make, either make a purchase from Aviate or leave a comment to enter the giveaway. I will randomly choose the 6 winners of this giveaway on Friday, November 26th. So make sure that you have notifications turned on, because if you don't respond to me within 24 hours, I'll pick a new winner. I think that's about it. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.